You gonna say something?
Hello. Hello. What's going on, guys? It is time for another Dueling Routers.
Yes.
So, the old man wants a crack at the title. We'll see what happens.
Yeah. Good point.
Yeah. But this is our template of the month for April, right? And so
Yes.
it's a pretty cool little bear. Mom's getting really good at it.
Put him down by the board.
Oh. Mom's making some nice templates, man.
Yeah, you guys are. You should be appreciating Vicky's hard work because she actually does. You know, I'm serious on that. Vicky does a lot of work on these things, so
Yeah.
you guys should be appreciative and let her know once in a while.
Yeah.
It makes our life easier
Maybe send
when she's in a good mood.
Yeah, send some cakes or pies or something.
Yeah, that's right. Anyway, all right, dueling routers, here we go. I'm going to carve all the black, and you're going to carve away the wood.
Yes.
So I think mine then would be outset, yours would be inset, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, if I'm carving away, well, the way I think about it is if I'm carving away the black and I'm going around the outside,
Yeah.
then it's outset, right?
Right.
If you're carving away the wood and you're carving the wood away, you're leaving the black, then it's inset. At least that's the way I look at it.
Yeah, that makes sense to me.
I just hit the microphone. Sorry, guys. All right, let's go.
Let's do
Ryan's
it.
going over there. I'll stay here. We're
Go to
both
your corners.
Yeah, go to your corners. Touch gloves and go to your corners. Defend yourself at all times. All right. And we're both using the profile bit.
I think I might need the SC or the carving liner for
Think
where
so?
the mouth is at one point, but
Yeah, I guess you know, you would.
shots fired.
All right, here we go. Ready?
I've been
Set.
ready.
Go. Okay, you done with yours, son?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, there's mine.
You spray it and sand it off the camera?
Yeah, we're going to spray it and then we'll come back and sand them off.
No, we're not.
All right, so let's, I'll sand mine off and then Ryan's going to do his. We're going to go with the 80 because this cedar fencing is really soft. So we're going to go with the 80. Here we go.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Let's do this.
Macho.
Ooh, I had some high spots.
I like Ryan's better.
Do you?
Yeah.
Why? The eyes?
Because,
I
well,
like
I'm
the
thinking,
eyes.
looking through the camera, it looks like, yours looks like something from Teenage
Well, when you say
Werewolf.
yours, what do you mean?
The outset.
Mine.
Looks like a
Teenage wolf type thing?
teenage wolf, yeah.
Oh, is it sure?
That's just looking through the camera, but
Yeah.
I like the.
I like them both, though, actually.
Yeah. They're
Ryan's
both
just got a
pretty.
scar on his face.
Ryan's has got a
Yeah,
scar.
that's called a knot.
Oh.
That's where the bear attacked me, but I got it. I got it.
No, they both look good.
They do both look good.
Yeah.
Man. It's not even easy getting all those pieces connected.
Mine's got a top knot.
It does have a top knot.
All right.
No, you
All
could,
right.
that's a killer little template.
Yeah, I like that.
You want to
Somebody
spray him
asked
and see
me
how they
about a
look?
bear.
Huh?
Somebody had asked me about a bear.
You want me to spray him?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, I think I like Ryan's better. I do. I like. I don't know. I'm not digging the eyes on the outset version.
Yeah, yours almost looks like it's sleeping.
Like the eyes are closed. I think you. I saw that.
You didn't see
Right
that?
in my cut.
Oh.
Oh.
Never mind.
His little finger.
Bingo, his pingo.
His bingo.
All right, there they are. Mine's the outset. Ryan's is the inset. I got to say, I like the inset. I like the eyes. I'm not digging the eyes on mine. I should have done the eyes different on
Hold on,
mine.
Yeah.
I'm going to zoom in on the eyes.
Yeah, this one does look meaner.
Yeah.
Yours looks
Asleep, hibernating.
Yeah, hibernating.
He's hibernating. That's just waking up from hibernating.
So
Hungry.
single, married.
Yeah. Oh, very well put. Well put. All right. All right, that's it, guys. Hope you guys like this. We love doing this dueling routers thing. It's kind of becoming our thing, I guess.
Yeah.
Kind of cool. So you guys seem to like it. Hope you guys like this. This is the premium member and executive member template of the month for April 2022. So when you guys order or we're shipping you something, we'll put in the template if you're a premium or executive. And if you have any questions on the premium membership or the executive membership, just let us know. We're happy to help you out there. And you can go to the website, and there's a page within there that tells you all about all the details on the premiums and the executives. Anyway, that's it, guys. Any last words?
Why are you going to kill me as soon as the camera shuts
Yeah,
off?
yeah. Take my, yeah.
No, I think they look good, and thank you guys for watching as always. My email is ryanwithdavesigns@gmail.com or
Eric at makeawoodsign.com. And yeah, maybe I will. I'll most likely kill you in the morning. All right, guys.
guys.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.